So Henry Street came all the way through and stopped right here. So this would have been the end of Henry Street. And as I was saying earlier, all of this right here were drive-through streets. So there was a lot of traffic during that time, coming down Gilmer Avenue, going down Henry Street and connecting to Gainsboro Road, which would have been out here. And of course, Gainsboro Road now is now used to be Peach Hill, but Henry Street would have stopped right here. This parking lot was not here until the 70s or 80s. So this parking lot was not here. And Burrell Memorial Hospital actually originated where this parking lot is now in 1915. So the Burrell Memorial Hospital, first African-American hospital in the city of Roanoke, actually originated in this parking lot now. Of course, it is now First Baptist Church, Gainsboro, a very historical church, not only in Gainsboro, but in the entire city of Roanoke. The Roanoke Tribune is the only remaining business of Henry Street. It's no longer on Henry Street. It is now on Melrose Avenue, still owned and operated by Claudia Whitworth and her family. And I believe the Roanoke Tribune is the oldest black newspaper that never stopped publishing, even when it was bulldozed in the 70s on Henry Street. So the Tribune was actually a part of urban renewal. The building that the Tribune was in was actually bulldozed during the time of urban renewal after Mrs. Whitworth was told that the Tribune would not be bulldozed. It was bulldozed, unfortunately. And then she never stopped publishing the newspaper. And then they moved to Melrose Avenue where they are right now. Here's High Street Baptist Church, which originated around the corner here on Center Avenue. And Mayor Noel C. Taylor, when he came to Roanoke, this is the first church that he came to. Mayor Noel C. Taylor was the first African-American mayor in the city of Roanoke. But if you did not know, he was also a reverend. So Reverend Noel Taylor started here at High Street Baptist Church, and then now, of course, they're on Florida Avenue now. But if you look at that street sign, so that street sign says Henry Street and Loudon Avenue. So you only can get to Loudon Avenue if you go all the way down and turn on Gilmer Avenue and go on the other side of 5th Street. Before Coca-Cola was built, you could drive straight through down Loudon Avenue. So this would have been a side entrance to the home. And then this 2-car garage now used to be a 4-car garage. So it used to be two cars on the top, 2 cars on the bottom. This would have been the side entrance of the home, and the front of the home faced Jefferson Street. This is Patton Avenue. The back of the home faced the clinic, and then the other side of the home faced where the family service station was. Thank you for joining me on this walking tour. If you would like more information on the full walking tour, please contact the Gainsboro Library and we can schedule a walking tour. Thank you again.